Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how we can create a table in MS Word. As we know that table is a combination of rows and column. Intersection of a row and a column is known as cell. Now we will learn how we can create a table in Microsoft Word. To create a table in Microsoft Word, first open Microsoft Word from the package of MS Office. There are various methods. First method is click on Insert tab. In the Insert tab, in the Tables group here, as soon as you click on the Insert tab, this window will appear. This ribbon is here, and here on this ribbon there is the option table. Click on this table. Here you will find the grids. Simply you select the grids to specify number of columns and number of rows and click over there. As soon as you click, the table will automatically create in the working area. Second method is just click on the Insert tab. This thing you have to remember, means which tab is containing the table option. Click on the Insert tab. After that, here again you are having the option Insert table. So it is asking you on the tables group there is an option Insert table. Click on this Insert table option. When you click on this Insert table option, it will ask you to enter number of rows and number of columns. Likewise here, as soon as you click on this Insert table option, this window will be present over here. It will ask you to enter the number of rows and number of columns. After that, click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, the table will be appeared in the working area. Now you want to enter the value in the table. We can enter the value in the table by simply clicking on the cell where we want to enter the value. Just click over there. After that, you can type any value over there. Now, after creating a table, if we want to insert more column in the table, then how can you do this? First, you select the column where you want to insert the new column. Again, click on this. Look at this. Click on the Layout tab. This Layout tab. Remember this tab. Click on the Layout tab. Here you will find the option Insert above, Insert below, Insert left, Insert right. So these two options are for rows and these two options are for column. So select any one of it. Suppose you have selected this column and you want to insert a new column towards the left of this. Then click on this Insert left. So a new column will be appear over here. In the same way, if you want to have a new column on the right side of the selected column, then click on this option Insert right. You will get a column right side of this. So how to remember this? If anybody asks you how you can insert a new column in a table, then you can simply see that we can insert a new column in a table by selecting a column where we want to insert the new column. Then click on the Layout tab. On the Layout tab, you will find the option Insert left, Insert right. Select the option which you want to have. After that, a new column will be inserted. In the same way, a new row can be inserted. How? First, you simply select the row. Again, By clicking on this layout tab, you will find these two options. Insert above, insert below. So if we want to have a blank row above the selected row, then click on this option, insert above. And if we want to have a new row below to the selected row, then select the option insert below. A new row will be inserted in the table. Just look at this. Here, just to select the row. After that, go to the layout tab, and here you will find these two options. In this way, a new row can be inserted in the table. Now, the selecting a cell. How can you select a cell? You can simply triple click inside the cell. Remember this, triple click. If we want to select a particular cell, then in the cell just triple click it, the cell will be selected here. So if anybody asks you how you can select a cell, then you can say that you can select a cell by simply triple clicking the area inside the cell.